Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Settings because pausing screen time uses digital well-being. Open Settings, then tap Digital Well-being and Parental Controls. Once there, choose Dashboard so you can see app-by-app usage. This shows what you'll pause. Make sure you're signed into the primary device account if prompted. If the dashboard isn't visible, tap the menu or search within Settings for Digital Well-being. This first step gets you directly to controls you'll modify next. Choose the specific app you want to pause from the dashboard list. Once selected, tap App Timer to set a daily limit or tap Focus Mode to pause notifications and access instantly. If you need an immediate pause, enable Pause or Turn on Now, set a precise duration or choose until you turn it off. Make sure to confirm changes. Android saves timers per account. If multiple profiles exist, repeat for each profile you want paused. Finish by setting schedules. Open Focus Mode or Bedtime Mode to automate pauses at specific times. Once done, verify the pause is active by attempting to open the paused app. It should show a blocked or limited screen. If pauses fail, restart the device and recheck digital well-being permissions and app exemptions. Some apps require notification access to be paused. Make sure battery optimizations aren't restricting digital well-being. This troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.